Well, good morning, friends. Today I wanted to just document a couple of events that we recently have gone to or taken place, and I have to also admit, my little messed up journal disaster is growing on me, and I really think it's cute now. So we're going to open up, and I wanted to show you a couple of things that I added. I had forgotten that when we went to this park I had collected leaves, and so I laminated them and attached them to some of the pages. I think you can see this little tiny oak leaf here. I have no idea what this leaf is, but it's pretty. This one I thought was especially pretty. And there's a couple more over here, and they just all flip around so that I could have them on the same page but still see the pictures below. And so recently my husband and I went to a little festival harvest party in our park, and there was a little grasshopper there. I don't know if you can see it, but we thought that was kind of cool that there was this one little grasshopper left. So I thought I would put this here, and I'm going to put the little banner thing that I printed off the internet onto that page. I've already put the tape on, so let's see if we can get it off. And this is just a simple way of documenting an event. Take a couple of pictures. You can put like mats behind the pictures if you want. I usually don't, unless they're really little. These I do sometimes, and I might actually, depending on if they look like they're disappearing into the background or not. So let's get this one on, the little banner. This was just a little like place where people could sell their creations. There was like all kinds of blow-up things for the kids to play on. There was some music and some food, and it was just a nice little event. This is a giant sycamore leaf that I saw. It was bigger than my foot, which I thought was pretty cool. Not many of them get that big. And then here is just some of the leaves that were all over the ground, and then in the background you can kind of see this blow up stuff, and there was some little tents over there, and this family just happened to kind of get in my way. I don't know who they are. I just wanted to get a view of the event in the background. And I think I'm just gonna go ahead and put those on like that, because I think they fit well there. And I actually might cut this one down a little bit. We don't need all that tree. And then that will fit better there. And yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna do. Okay, so this is what I've done for this spread so far. And my battery went dead, so it's kind of glaring. I just put the 3 pictures there. They do sort of blend into the background, these two, a little bit, but I think we'll just go ahead and leave them there. Now these are some of the oak leaves that I found in this park, which also found these there. And I found this really giant one, and it got caught in the laminating machine, so it's all like accordioned. It's a little bit too big for this one, and I don't like that it's accordioned, but I don't want to throw it away either. So I'm going to save that. This one has something there that I don't like, so I'm probably not going to keep this one either. Although it looks, actually it looks okay on this side, so maybe I will. So I'm going to put a couple of these on the page too. And I have to be careful of this because it's what do you call it, a pocket, so I don't want to mess up the pocket. And then on here, I didn't show you guys, I put little discs of paper over the prongs just to make it look nicer. And yeah, I'm going to cut those out and we'll put them on the page, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so I've chosen these 3 leaves to actually use. Now I'm going to take my smaller hole puncher side and just punch a little hole in there. I left a little bit of the plastic so I could have a little place to put a hole. And we'll do the same here. One thing you do want to be careful of is not to cut into too closely to the leaf, or you know, it might dry it out if air gets in there. So I've got those on, the holes in. Now I'm going to get my brads out. And I have some cute little button brads, but I don't know, maybe I should use a button brad. There's orange on this page, so I'm going to use an orange button to... I forgot I had these. We'll use 1 orange brad. And let's see, that looks really cute. I think I can't put it here, but I could put it like right here, and then we can just kind of swing it around. So that's what I'm going to do, but I need to put it towards the edge. So it will be like right about here. And I think that's going to be perfect on the other side. And we'll do that. It's going to be a little lower than I probably wanted it. That's okay. We'll deal with it. And so there we have that little moving leaf right here. And then back on this side, I thought this might be cute. Well, I got this one here, so I guess I'm going to cut into this picture if I do it there. So I guess I'll do it here, and I may not have room for this one. I guess I could always put it here. Let's figure that out in a minute. Let's go ahead and put this one on this side, and then I'll have to come up with a what do you call it? A little circle to cover. It's hard to do it this way. Oh, too close. Too close to the edge. That's good. Alright, so I'll put this one on right here. And trying to see, oh, I have a nice little red one. I think I'll use a smaller one though. It's like a medium-sized one. I do not. Where'd the medium one go? I forgot where I've gotten these. I've had these forever. All different colors of little button brads. We'll put this one here, like that. And then on this side, we'll have to come up with something to cover that up so it looks a little bit nicer. And then we can do that. And maybe I'll just go ahead and like put this right here. It's not gonna hurt anything up in the corner. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do with that one. Oh, let's get the right there. Pick out my brad. Got a yellow one. Let's try that. All the fall colors, yellow, red, and orange. These ones have bigger prongs though, I think, to cover up. I don't know if my little circle will do it. Might have to come up with a different plan for disguising the prongs. But there we go. We have this one now. Well, that's cool. Alright, so Yeah, and it is longer than the book, but I can just keep it like that. That's good. Now I just have to see if my circles will cover it. Let's see, I have some circles already punched out. Let's see. 2 of them there. Alright. I think it will work, sort of. Can't see it, can you? I wonder if I can cut the prongs off, actually. Sometimes you can, if they're not too thick. Oh yeah. Let's do that then. Are you seeing what I'm doing? I'm just going to cut the prong off slightly. And then I can cover it up better. Because it's going to be a little difficult to... Ooh, I wonder if I have an autumn leaf one left. I found some more autumn leaf paper. Ta-da! Let's use this. And let's do a little oak leaf. And I'm just going to glue that right onto there. I could ink it, but I'm not. Don't feel like inking it. Alright. Let's get the glue on here. And we'll just put it just like this. There, that's cute. You see it right there? And then we have to do this one over here and this one. There. Oh, I think the sun is trying to come out. How are you guys doing? How are you feeling? What are you up to? I hope you're all doing well and that you're all happy and healthy. Let's see, this is the other one we're going to cut out. Let's get a little oak leaf, a little orange oak leaf. There. Glue that. Last week, our temperatures were like 84, and then this week, our temperatures are in the low 50s and in the 40s at night. So it just went from drastically from, you know, summer to winter weather pretty quick. Well, that's not really winter weather. Winter weather's a little chillier than 50. It can get down below 0 here a lot. And it usually does for at least 2 weeks in the winter. So this is my spread now for the event at the dog, near the dog park. And that's kind of cute. Now, I have one other one I was going to put here. These are some little Jack Skellington pumpkins that I made, and I just thought they were so cute. So, he's a little Jack Skellington and his children. So we're going to I'm just going to put that right there. And I'll probably put the date. Let's just go back to the beginning of what we worked on today, and just real quick, we have our interactive leaves, our little cover story explaining what's going on here, more interactive little oak leaf here, pumpkins that I made,